Hello friend, this is Mehuli from Modern Living Real Estate, and today we are here in a 3 BHK flat. We will go inside and have a look at its compound. So let's go. So we are entering from the door here. As you can see, this is the living area. You can check out this living area. This is the main door from which we entered. Aluminium windows have been given here and we have an electrical connection here. We can put the television set in the living area. We can also add sofa here. There is a window in the living area. They have used aluminium window. As you can see, there are windows. We also used grill, which is for safety purposes. And putty is also been done. Next we move on to the bedroom. The bedroom is well ventilated, and here as you can see, the sunlight is coming in as there is no obstruction outside from the window. So this room has one window. The best feature is that we have a balcony. Just look at it. This is the balcony. As you can see, that is of beautiful surrounding. So one can easily sit and relax in the balcony. As you can see, cool breeze is coming, so it's well ventilated. Now let us look at the other room. So we have here our kitchen. Fully furnished works are done. You can see this is the sink of the kitchen and this is the slab. You can do the interior works as required. So this is the kitchen. Chimney can be put above the window. Next, we move on. There is another bedroom. This bedroom also has two windows. We are now watching the outside surroundings from the window. The weather is cloudy right now, so you are not able to see the sufficient sunlight. This is the third bedroom. And the toilet. The toilet is attached. Let's open and look at its component. This is a PVC door. Now you can see the wash basin here. And you can put a mirror upon the basin here, and we will fix BWC commode. This is a western commode. Telephone shower will also be fixed. Tiles are fixed on the floor. Now I am closing it. And we have a common toilet. This is a big size toilet. As we can see, this will be a western toilet here, and fittings will be placed. You can see here we fix the sanitary fittings and the shower, and we will fix the taps here. Telephone shower is also fixed, and if you want you can put the mirror upon the basin. The ventilator is also be provided. So this is the component of this 3-bedroom. Hope you like the video. For more videos, stay tuned to our channel, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do hit the subscribe button and do comment, because due to your comment we come to know which videos you are interested in, and your feedback also, because we never want this channel to be a one-way source. Bye bye.